In this video, we will be showing you a general overview of the different tools and features you will get access to through our service. We hope this quick tour will give you an idea of all the value and endless possibilities that are made available to you. In the Contacts section, you can look through the entirety of your contacts and access their information. Additionally, by using the bulk action features, you can make various edits and changes to more than one contact record at the same time. If you need to make a pipeline change, add a tag, send an email, or add multiple contacts to a campaign, simply use the bulk actions to quickly and efficiently update your contact records. The Social Planner tool allows you to manage all your social media accounts in one place. With this feature, you can save time by creating and scheduling posts all at once. You can also view your social analytics from across your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google My Business accounts. The Email Builder allows you to completely customize high-quality email marketing messages. You can create and save templates to make your emails stand out using stylistic elements, images, and more. With all the features of the Email Builder, you can make your emails match your brand and enhance your contact's experience and impression of your business with high-caliber emails. In the Funnel Builder, you can build custom landing pages with the drag-and-drop customization feature. Through columns, sections, and rows, you can populate your page however you want. You can even use the menu element to build out full websites. With text blocks, buttons, images, forms, surveys, calendars, pop-ups, and even more, the Funnel Builder offers endless options for you to build the best funnel for your needs. The Builder also gives you the option to toggle between desktop and mobile views, so you can make sure your funnel page is up to snuff across all platforms. Through campaigns, you can automate communications with leads and build on your nurturing process. You can make use of SMS text messages, emails, auto phone calls, and voicemails. You can also use webhooks to connect data with outside softwares and services if needed. In this section, you can create your own custom membership site for your clients to access. The membership area allows you to easily create products and offers for your members to access and also provides analytics regarding your members' activity. This was a super quick tour and overview of different options and tools you'll have at your disposal. There are so many different features we didn't get to explore, and there are tons of new tools being added all the time, so be on the lookout for cool new updates.